turn your waist. That's it. Yeah, and you transfer your weight like that. Yeah, that's it. Keep the body, yeah, good. Relaxing. So remember, you feel the opposite force. So again, this arm is coming down like that, and this arm is coming up. So you've got that effect.